our last video, we discussed about the Fermi Paradox and what it is. In this video, we're going to be talking about a few solutions for the Fermi Paradox. If you missed the last video, you probably won't understand what we're talking about in this video, so you should go and watch that one first to understand what the Fermi Paradox is. So now we'll talk about a few solutions for the Fermi Paradox. The first one is that we are too far away for the aliens to contact us or for us to contact them. So our galaxy is very big, like almost very big. It's 150,000 light years, and that's huge, but the universe is huger than that. But we're going to be talking about the galaxy here. So our galaxy is that big, and we are in a very small part of it. So our radio transmissions can only be heard for up to 100 light years, and beyond that no one can hear anything and no one even knows we exist. There's nothing. So if you get into that 100 light year radius, that's the only point where you can actually hear our radio transmissions, and the aliens are probably much further away than that. So they can't hear us and we can't hear them. So for them to hear us, it will probably take a really long time, which could be around 1,000 to 150 years or even more than that. 1,250 is an estimation. So in one study conducted in 2016, it was revealed that only 1% of the galaxy is how much our radio transmissions cover. Beyond that, there is nothing. Next solution for the Fermi Paradox is the zoo hypothesis, which means aliens are watching us and we don't know that. So when you go to a zoo, you look at all of the animals and you'll be like, wow, they're so cool. So basically for the aliens, we are being treated as an animal in a zoo. Like, you wouldn't want to talk to a snake or you wouldn't want to talk to a giraffe. So like that, aliens don't want to talk to us. So we're secretly being observed by them, and they don't want to initiate contact with us, but we really want to talk to them, but they don't care about us. There could be like some godlike beings who think we're ants. So that's one solution, and it could also be true, and if it is true, then that would be really creepy. Another solution for the Fermi Paradox is that we are the first intelligent civilization to exist and everyone else will come after us. So hypothetically, the universe is still young. It's only 13 billion years. That might seem like a very big number, but in terms of the universe is still a baby. So we are at the beginning of the universe, not exactly the beginning, one point in the universe where things are still developing. There are lots of galaxies that will be formed later. And also the universe is expanding at a rapid rate because of something called dark energy, which will be discussed another time because there's no time for that now. So this universe expansion could be another reason why we can't see anyone, because they're all going further away from us. But in this solution, it's just we are the first ones to exist and everyone will come after us. So the universe is still young, and in the future there may be more intelligent civilizations to form, but since we're already here, when the time comes for them, we might not be there. We might have already died out. Or another reason is that because of our existence, they cannot exist. So basically, maybe there's this rule that only one civilization, like intelligent civilization, can exist, or this one ancient intelligent civilization will ruin everything, and humans will probably ruin everything. So that could also be a reason for why we haven't seen any aliens, because we are the first ones and nobody else is there. So another thing is that there is no paradox at all. There is nobody else. We are completely alone. There is no alien in the entire universe, and we are just alone in occupying a very small part of the universe, and there is nothing for miles and miles and miles and light years. Nobody is there. And that is also a very scary solution. So out of all of these solutions, all of them seemed really creepy. But the creepiest one was the last one. So this is all for the Fermi Paradox. We have discussed everything there is to be discussed. The Fermi Paradox obviously has more things deep into it, but we will only be talking about this much. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.